Chapter 10 Science Question Bank Class 9th English Medium. Take the correct first. The unit of mass is answer Newton. Second, what will be happen to be gravitational force between two objects if the distance force between two objects if the distance between them is doubled? Answer, it will be 1/4. Third, the mass of an object is 12 kg on the earth, its mass on the moon will be answer 12 kg. Fourth, the weight of an object is 30 Newton on the earth, its weight on the moon will be answer 5 Newton. Fifth, the value of the force of gravity will be greater of the following answer on the earth's surface at pole. Sixth, gravitational force answer weak force. Seventh, which scientist present the principle of gravity answer Newton. Question 8. Which of the following in the gravitational force answer all of the above? To be the correct complete. अब fill up. First fill up. The dash of an object is equal to the product of mass and acceleration due to gravity. Answer weight. Second, all the object when immersed in any liquid experience dash force. Answer buoyancy. Third, the value of the force of gravity or moving from the poles at the equator goes to answer decreasing. Fourth, the thrust per unit area is called answer pressure. Fifth, the relative density of a substance is the ratio of the density of that substance to the density of dash answer water. Fill up complete question answer. Question first. Write the universal law and formula of gravity. Answer. The universal law of gravitation was given by Newton and gives the explanation that any two bodies in a space pull each other towards themselves with a force of gravitational. The universal law of gravitation states that the force of gravitation between any two bodies is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between their centers. Mathematically, F is equal to m1 into m2. F is equal to 1 upon r square. F is equal to m1 m2 upon r square. F is equal to g m1 m2 upon r square, where g is equal to universal gravitational constant. G is equal to 6.67 into 10 की पावर 34 nm square per kg. Answer first complete. Second, earth exerts gravitational force on the moon as the moon does not fall on the earth by. Answer, without having the force of gravity from earth, moon would have just floated away from us. The moon velocity and distance from earth allow it to make a perfect balance between fall and escape that by the moon does not fall on the earth. आंसर सेकंड कंप्लीट. क्वेश्चन थर्ड. वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इसी तरह की वीडियो देखने के लिए. क्वेश्चन थर्ड. Why is the law of gravity called the universal law? Answer, Newton law of gravity is considered universal because it is believed to be applicable to the entire universe. It is called so because it is applicable on all bodies having mass like the sun, moon, earth or an apple, and the bodies will be governed by the same law, that is Newton law of gravitation. Question fourth. If the distance between two objects is halved, how will the force of gravity change between them? Answer, when distance between objects is halved, gravitational force becomes 4 times. Question answer fourth complete. Question fifth. What do you understand by free fall? Answer, a free fall object is an object that is falling under the sole influence of gravity. An object that is being acted upon only by the force of gravity is said to be in a state of free fall. Answer 5 complete. Question 6. What do you understand by acceleration due to gravity. Answer. When an object falls freely toward the surface of the earth from a certain height, then its velocity change. This change in velocity produces acceleration in the object, which is known as acceleration due to gravity, denoted by the letter G. The value of acceleration due to gravity is G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Answer 6 complete. Question 7th. Question 7. What is the difference between mass and weight of an object? Answer. Difference between mass and weight are: mass. Mass is amount of matter present in a body. Weight. Weight is the force with which the earth attracts a body toward its center. Mass. Its SI unit is kilogram. Weight. Its SI unit weight is Newton. Mass of a body is a constant quantity irrespective of the position and surroundings of the body. Weight of a body varies from place to place. Mass it is a scalar quantity. Weight is a vector quantity. Mass it is measured using a beam balance. Weight it is measured using a spring balance. Question 8. What do you understand by buoyancy? When an object is placed in lifted, it exerts an upward force on object, which makes the object appear to be lighter. This upward force is called buoyancy. Answer 8 complete. Question 9. Why does a sheet of paper fall slower than a ball made by twisting a sheet of the same type? Answer. By crumpling the paper into a ball, the volume of the object decreases but the mass remains the same, hence its density increases as air applies some resistance on a falling sheet of paper as well as crumpled ball, but the resistance to the motion of crumpled ball through the air decreases, that makes it to fall faster than the sheet of paper. Answer 9 complete. And next question 10. Why does an object float when placed on the surface of water? Answer. An object floats because the buoyant force, it is a force in upward direction which make object float, and due to gravitational force an object sink in water. It is also due to density. If density is greater than water, it will sink, and if more than, it will float. Answer 10th complete. Question 11. Write Archimedes principle. Answer. Archimedes principle states that when a body is immersed fully or partially in a fluid, experiences an upward thrust equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. The application of Archimedes principle are: Archimedes principle is used in designing ships and submarines. Second, lactometers based on Archimedes principle are used to measure purity of a sample of milk. Third, hydrometer used to measure density of liquid are based on Archimedes principle. Answer 11th complete. And question 12th. Why does a block of plastic released underwater come up to the surface of water? Answer. The buoyant force acting on the block of plastic is more than its weight. As a result of this, it comes up when released underwater. The cause of this larger buoyant force on the block of plastic is due to its density being smaller than that of water. Answer 12 complete. Question 13. The volume of a substance of 15 kg is 20 centimeter cube. If the density of water is 1 kg centimeter cube, then the substance will float in water that it will sink. Answer. Given mass of substance m is equal to 15 gram, volume 20 centimeter cube, density फाइंड करना है। द डेंसिटी सब्सटेंस गिवन इज डेंसिटी इक्वल टू मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम 15 ग्राम अपॉन 20 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 2.5 ग्राम सेंटीमीटर क्यूब। द डेंसिटी of the substance is greater than density of water, so the substance will sink. The relative density of silver is 10.8. The density of water is 10 kg meter per cube. What will be the density of silver in SI units? Answer. We know that relative density of substance is equal to density of the substance upon density of water. Relative density of silver is equal to density of silver into density of water. Hence, from given data is equal to 103 into 10.8 kilogram meter cube is equal to 10,800 kilometer cube. Question 15. The mass of an object is 10 gram. What would be its weight on Earth? Answer. Acceleration due to gravity is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Item weight is equal to m into g is equal to 10 into 9.8 is equal to 19 Newton. The weight of the item is 98 Newton. Answer 15 complete and chapter 10 complete. Question bank class 9 science. वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। और फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करोगे तो हमारी हर एक वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास जाएगी और आप सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन बैंक फुल सॉल्यूशन ले सकेंगे।